Are you getting Devashish first? Are you getting my voice?
Yes,
Architecture
sir.
is
Yes,
clear, of course, because it is a heart of the IoT
please, sir.
ecosystem basically. Okay, it is a heart of this one. Please give the more emphasis towards this one. Okay, first of all, I have already told it is a ITU reference architecture of IoT. Okay, I have taken it from the ITU side because basically, okay, we are following the ITU reference architecture. Another name is ARM. Don't be confused with the ITU reference architecture with the ARM. ARM means architectural reference model. Okay, architecture reference model. Okay, and further any architecture will be a layered architecture. Like IoT, don't be confused with another architecture, because it may be a data analysis architecture in the IoT. Okay, it may be possible that it may be a I architect and this analysis data analysis reference model or IoT communication layer model. Okay, don't be confused with that. It is a IoT reference architecture, IoT ecosystem basically architecture, layered architecture, and divided into 4 layers. Okay, divided into 4 layers. First categorized into device layer, network layer, then service and application support layer, and this is the finally bind up with the application layer. Is that clear? Is that clear? Only 4 layer you will find, only 4 layer you will find in the ITU reference architecture. Is that clear? Or shall I repeat? 4 layer architecture will be there. Okay, only 4 layers are there. Only 4 layers are there. Device layer, network layer, network layer, service and application support layer, and application layer. 4 layer model is there. Inside the device layer, what you will find? Devices and gateways. Okay, devices and gateways. Network layer means you have the transport capabilities and the networking capabilities. Networking here doesn't means you have to connect with the internet. Networking means within the home network also you have some personalized area network within the home communication. It
Hello.
can be a home area network.
Usually TV now to video conference
Okay,
lecture
and
this
service support and
network.
as application support layer means it is a generic support. Okay, or the some generic support means traditional support, and further some if your application requires some specific support also, it is basically a logical part, logical layer. And finally over that your IoT application will be built. Now Khushbu is asking, is the division strict? Are there some overlapping protocols devices in between these layers? No, it is not like that. For your explanation point of view, some people may add something. Okay, some devices, like some devices they can build here, they can make some devices, they can make some gateways also. Okay, here networking point of view, they can add some routers also, some LAN switch also. Okay, some other things also, some cat5 cable, some wireless communication they can add, or 802 point standards they can show. So this one I have not taken this one because it is a ITU reference architecture, it is a fixed one. It depends, because yesterday also I have discussed that there is a lack of standardization. That means we cannot say I will follow the Wi-Fi, okay, or everybody should follow the Wi-Fi, or anyone cannot follow the Bluetooth. It is not like that. It depends upon the your application. Basically it is a service based architecture. It depends upon your application, what basically you need, what basically your application need. Depending upon the low range communication, suppose less than 10 meter, 15 meter, or 20 meter, 25 meter, it can be a Bluetooth, or it can be a Zigbee also. For your outside network, definitely it goes through the IP. So definitely your routers and all the things will come. Is that clear? And further, definitely if application is there, application should need to be regularly upgraded, or some parameters is there. Some parameters maybe it may be possible that some data, regular data analysis will be there. Okay, so you need to store the data at some local point also. So this comes under the generic support. Okay, or the specific support part, that comes under this part. Okay, this application layer part, it is a logical one, basically. And finally over that your IoT application will be there, your application will be there. Is that clear? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Is there any doubt? Now, I have one doubt. I have one doubt here. I have told in the device layer, device and gateways are there. So what is the difference between the device and gateway? Can anyone tell? Khushbu, can you tell what is the difference between the device and gateways at the device layer part?
No,
Am
I
I
think
audible
the
to all of you?
devices, the
Getting my
IP.
question or not?
Hello?
Gateways can be
Yes,
switches,
sir.
but for what purpose? Definitely it is just like a switches for, but for what purpose here it is? What purpose it will solve? Yes,
Transmit
definitely. I am
data.
getting your point. It is you are intelligent one. You are getting my point. It is a routing or the switching basically, whatever it
The
may be.
gateway
But
means we can
what purpose it will solve?
gateway means we can connect with
What purpose it
the
will
this
solve?
internet. No, that it will go to the outside the world, communicate with the outside the world, and device is the device we are going to connect it.
Abhishek ji somehow get my point basically.
So what I think is that the devices will have the dynamic IP and the gateways will have the
No,
static IP.
Ramesh ji, don't confuse with the MAC layer or IP layer. I'm not going to discuss about more technical layer. My purpose is basically
it will
what
be for
basically
the
IoT ecosystem is. Okay, definitely MAC will be there, IP will be there. Don't go inside the technical part. I don't want. I will take this in the basically connectivity part. This thing here we are discussing the very basic part, connectivity part. Gateway to connect a network. Okay, in interacting with different protocol. Okay, any other? Neha is there? Neha is
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes,
Neha,
sir.
are you
So
getting
I
my voice?
will. Yes, sir. Sir, are you getting my voice? Hello?
Neha, are you getting my
Hello?
voice?
Yes, sir. I'm getting your voice. Hello?
Like one gateway can be two different for aggregation of device. Okay, definitely. Krishna Kumar ji, you are getting my voice. Why you are not
मुझे
Neha?
क्या
Why
बताना
you are not getting my voice? Everybody is getting my voice. You
Sir,
should
I'm getting.
Sir, Neha
please
is getting
check
your
your the
voice.
settings
Sir,
at your end basically.
sir, Neha is getting your voice. You are not able to read.
Okay, through the
Get
chat, please
her one.
reply. What purpose gateway here will solve? Okay, Neha,
Okay.
please tell
Yes,
for what purpose gateway is here and what purpose gateway will solve here. My question is very simple because our entire network, our gist of this discussion will come here from here. Signaling. Okay. Any other? Dikshika is here. Dikshika is here.
Device
Dikshika, are you getting my voice?
dynamic IP.
Dikshika, are you getting my voice? Please tell about that. What about the gateway? Vidya Sagar, are you getting my voice? Interoperability. Okay.
Will be
Gateway can perform data collection functions. Okay.
physically connected
Vidya Sagar,
via
Ramesh ji.
Gateway is the interconnectivity
Okay.
between device and rest of the internet.
Gateways can be physically connected. Okay, don't go be all of you what all of you have told basically. It is somehow you are getting the point. Okay, somehow you are getting the point. Now I am taking a very basic thing basically, very basic thing in or on the ground root basically what exactly architecture will be in the device. Forget about for the time being, forget about the gateway. Okay, forget
The
about the
gateway
gateway.
simple
Just
भाषा
simply
में
say
सर
the
ये
device. What type of device will be there? Okay, forget about cloud and all these things. I will touch all the things basically what basically cloud, fog or mist
सर
computing
सिंपल भाषा में ये बोल सकते हैं सर हम लोग की
computing is
गेटवे जो
for
है
the
सर
time being.
हमारा वो
At
किसी भी
present
चीज
we
को
are
बाहर निकलने
very
के लिए है
beginning
सर वो
stage
तो
basically.
डिवाइस का कनेक्टिविटी
Okay.
हेलो
So
मेनी डिवाइस जो कनेक्ट करेंगे सर उसका वहां से कनेक्टिविटी सर आउटर वर्ल्ड के लिए हम लोग काम करेंगे गेटवे.
So the thing is like that. At present, let us start with the devices. What type of devices are there? Suppose I am taking a home automation example. Suppose I am taking my home example. I am taking my home example. In my home, what I have one bulb. You say it is a smart bulb. You say it is a smart bulb. Smart bulb say it is a connected. Some form of connectivity is there. Forget about the internet. Some form of connectivity is there. Okay, some form of connectivity means it can communicate over the Bluetooth, it can connect over the RFID also, or it can connect through the Zigbee also. On the other side, we have the fan also, okay, equipped with sensors, okay, definitely it will be a wirelessly, okay, equipped with the sensors. I have the electricity switch also, okay, I have the electricity switch also automatically operated. This one somewhat some smart switch you can say, or I have the smart TV also, I have the smart fridge also, or entire I have the mixer juicer also, it also has the sensor also. So all these things comes under the device category. Okay, I have the smart fridge also, all these comes under the device category. Equipped with sensors, different type of sensors can be there, categorized into the smart sensors, non-smart sensors, or multimedia sensors, depending upon your application. But for the time being, you just remember your device will be equipped with different sensors. Okay, and
Amit,
within the home they are communicating. They can communicate now. Forget about the IP. Without having the IP also, they can communicate within the